that. It's raining on that side, and on this side it isn't.
It's pretty cool.
Look at that. It's cool. Now you can see it even better because it's closer up.
Yeah.
It's like a divide.
Yeah.
Look at that. It's tripping. Going into the rain. Going into the rain.
Look at this light and dark there is kind of pretty too.
Oh, look at that.
Am I in your way?
No. It started to rain. It's raining now. Yay. 5 minutes later, and now it's a torrential downpour.
Yeah.
Yeah. It went from calm to torrential downpour real quick. And a minute later, now it's like this. Much calmer. Look. Now it's ended. No more rain.
Look at the clouds. They're pretty cool.
There's the sun. Look at all that. Man, sun sky thing. It does things. Shines through the clouds.
In 2 miles,